pre-wet my face. And for my morning and night cleanser, I use my Pixi Rose Cleansing Cream. This is a super nice hydrating rose cleansing cream. Kind of comes out in this like gritty texture, if you can see that, but it's really great at removing makeup, hydrating your skin, removing any dirt or oil on your skin. So even though right now obviously I'm not wearing makeup, you know, I still have other skincare products on my face from the night, or your face gets oily, so I use a little bit of this just to clean it, and I just massage this for a few seconds. Definitely if I'm wearing makeup, I tend to double cleanse my skin. This small mini bottle of this, and you will not regret it. I love this product a lot. If there's one thing out of my skincare routine I would really recommend, it's this toner. It's just honestly the best and great product. And moisture, oil free, nothing crazy though, but I like this a lot. It's a little creamy, hydrates my skin pretty well, and if I need some more hydration, I sometimes will use a like serum. I use that at night. Really depends on the day and how hydrated my skin is. The Pixi Rose Cleanser, and I'll use that to really remove makeup if I wear any. Lately, you know, if I'm wearing a mask or anything, obviously I'm not wearing makeup water, so I'll sometimes use this to remove extra makeup or dirt, or I'll use my glow tonic and I'll use my toner. It also removes extra makeup, and then I use this cream again, and this is by the brand The Art of Radiance. I like this a lot. Hydrates your skin. It's not too sticky or oily of a serum, but it really does hydrate your skin and just add a little extra moisture to it, so my skin's not ever dry when I use this. So if my skin one day is kind of dry, I'll add that in. Then I use the Neutrogena. Fairly simple skincare routine right now. Sometimes I'll add in an eye cream if I'm feeling it, or I'll do a face mask. A couple times a week I'll do like a hydration face mask or a clay face mask. Really depends what I use, but this is kind of what I've been using lately for my skin, and I find it's been helping, and just keeping it pretty hydrated and minimal skincare routine, but it's been good and helping my skin. So yeah, I'll link all the products down below. If you want me to do an updated one of these in a couple of months, because I do sometimes switch products, let me know, and I will see you guys.